Hello Organo family, this is Manny Pacquiao. Congratulations to all of us. I am very happy to be part of the Organo Gold family. I would like to express my deep gratitude to Mami Ging Gualan for introducing Organo Gold to me. And thank you for all her patience and hardship. Also to Mr. Bernie Chua, Shen Moran and Holton Boggs, who's behind this big success worldwide. We finally made it. The thing that I like about Organo Gold is that it gives people the faith, health, and wealth. It's been a great experience to be part of Organo Gold. Let's continue to be a blessing to everyone. Remember, dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweet determination and hard work. Congratulations to everyone. Mabuhay Team Champion.
People of the world, it's a brand new day. Turn it up, let the music play. Let's